Introducing Fujifilm Instax Mini Polaroid Camera, Paste Blue. This camera is one of the most popular Polaroid camera that has been sold this year, and the price is even under $100. Compact and cute design. Easily twist the lens to turn on and off. Built-in selfie mirror for easy selfies. Close-up mode with parallax correction. Features automatic exposure and flash control for bright photos that are not washed out. Prints out high-quality photos in approximately 5 seconds. Includes hand strap, user manual, AA batteries, and 1-year limited warranty. If interested, click the link in comment.